You ever have one of those days at work where you get a lot done, but you didn't get everything that you wanted done? Yeah, one of those days. Oops. What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good day. Today, let's talk about whether or not it is worth purchasing a 15-year-old car, aka the 2011 3.7 liter V6 Mustang. So I do know there is the option, of course, to get the 2017 3.7 liter Mustang, but you know, if you want an S197 body style, which is of course the best body style, that is an option. So everything here will still apply to the 2017. I think just the difference is the interior, which I think the 17 still has those calculator screens, so you're going to want to get rid of that anyway, but we'll talk about that. When talking about an older car, the first thing that comes up is the reliability and how long is it really going to last for. Many people in the 3.7 liter Mustang group, which if you are not part of, the link to that is in the description, along with all my socials. Please go follow me over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Plenty of those people have cars well in the 100,000 miles with no issues, maybe except for the water pump, but that's pretty common on these cars. So you're going to fix that no matter what. But several other people also have it well within the 200. I saw one that has 200,000 miles exactly, another one that had it for 250,000, 260,000 miles. Like, that's a well-lived car. Just to put in perspective, right now I have 115,000 miles and no issues. I will say the water pump was changed before I got the car, but other than that, no problems. Just keep up with your oil changes and general maintenance, you should be good. And to be honest, I haven't even changed my spark plugs. These are still like the originals to my knowledge, so that's pretty good. Another thing to mention is that someone actually boosted their car, I believe, at 115,000 miles and is still kicking. So I mean, that's pretty solid. And many other people have also said that they would happily boost their car even sitting at 120, 150,000 miles just because of how stout this engine is. For a reliability standpoint, I think that alone should just show how stout the 3.7 engine is and how great these cars really are. The other thing I wanted to talk about regarding getting a 15-year-old car is kind of whether or not it's outdated or not. I will say the S197 interiors are a little dated. The only thing that's really genuinely worth it is the premium gauge cluster on the 13 and 14s. Sorry, 11 and 12s. Can't happen. Along with changing out the stereo system to the Dynavan system. Right now I have the N7. The N9 is better, obviously, but if you already, I already have this in here, so I'm not going to change it, but Dynavan N9 is a fantastic option to put into these cars. And I have a whole nother video talking about how to kind of upgrade your Mustang that are not performance mods on the channel, which I will leave somewhere up here. But I mean, that's really all you kind of need. For me personally, that's all you really need for a car interior. You just need, you know, GPS, a solid instrument cluster to kind of tell you, you know, any specific information any technical information that you're going to need. You might have a different shift knob, which you can get from White Madness Garage. I will leave a link to that in the description as well if you're curious. I know one of my viewers had bought that and sent me a video or sent me a couple pictures of it, and it looks great. And he said the install was super easy, so highly recommend that. Now, regarding performance of these cars, I have numerous videos talking about the performance aspect of these cars and like how to get them to have more horsepower, the different mods that you can do, make them sound good, all of that jazz. So honestly, there's plenty of aftermarket support if you're into modding your car, or honestly keeping it stock also is a great option too. One of the best parts about buying a V6 Mustang is that it's more than likely not been thrashed around or abused, maybe as like a GT would. And that way you get like a full, fairly stock car for inexpensive. You know, I just released another video talking about the price of these cars. Probably listed up here or it's on the channel. It's the 3.7 versus 5.0 if you're curious. And you can get it for pretty much a stock car for relatively inexpensive, and the performance from these cars is also pretty decent stock. And then you know, do some mods and you're good to go. So overall, I genuinely believe that these cars are still a good buy in the year 2026. You can find some with 80,000-ish miles for about $9 grand, which, you know, in the car world is not too expensive. If you want to keep it stock, it's good on gas. If you want to mod it, there's plenty of aftermarket support, and the performance is also really good. You have people, again, testimonials who have these cars at 250,000, 260,000. Someone boosted it at 100 whatever miles I said. And it still runs fine. Like, the only thing you have to probably worry about is the water pump, and if that's been changed, you're good to go. With car season coming up, and I know most of you guys probably have this car already, but if someone else is looking to get a Mustang, highly recommend them to get one of these, and, you know, show them this video, show them all the rest of the videos, of course. Kind of convince them to get a V6 Mustang. I mean, the only thing they're going to have to deal with is getting, you know, teased about having a V6 Mustang, but that's part of the package deal, unfortunately. So if you guys found this video informative, please hit that like button, and if you guys are enjoying the content, hit that subscribe button, please. We are on the road to 400 subscribers by the end of the year, and so far we're doing a great job. So let's keep on trucking. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Deuces.